Today I'm going to show you how to convert this hallway light with the pull string to something else that's even better. Right now this thing is hanging above the stairs, and it makes absolutely no sense to walk through the stairs and then pull the string to see the lights, to see the way, and then pull the string again to turn it off. Makes absolutely no sense. So this thing has to go. This is the unit that we'll be installing. It comes in a variety of temperatures, so you can get cool whites, warm whites. The one that we'll be installing for the client is cool white because she likes everything super bright. Taking it out of the box, this is all you get, no extras. Here it is compared to a Rubik's Cube. So you can see that it's pretty small, compact, but the light is super bright, as you'll see later on. Here's another angle, and you can clearly see the infrared motion sensor. This sensor should be placed downward, facing down, or at least facing towards wherever people will be walking by. Here's another angle so you can see how big the LED light is, right here. To get started, go ahead and release these two screws, and then you'll see everything within. Before actually mounting it onto the wall, we're going to test it to make sure that it works. So I'll be using one of these computer power cable. Go ahead and cut the cable, strip it out to get 3 wires. You'll see black, white, and ground. So go ahead and match it with the wall sconce right here. Yellow to green, which is ground. White to white, which is neutral. Black to black, which is the hot wire carrying the electricity. And then plug this cable into the wall. Assuming everything is wired up and plugged into the wall, the light should come on, assuming that the room that you're in is dark and you're walking by. If the light does work, then go ahead and disconnect everything, and it's time to mount this onto the wall. Mounting it onto the wall is fairly easy. All you have to do is take the back plate right here that you removed earlier. Go ahead and mount that first onto the wall. Next, install the light itself and then tighten the 2 screws down at the bottom right here. Well, in this angle, the 2 screws are at the bottom, but when you install it properly, the 2 screws will be on the top. And this infrared motion sensor is down facing the bottom. Here we are outside of a bedroom door. Here's another position that you saw earlier at the beginning of the video. You can clearly see that this is much smaller than the other lights. There's this big hole on the bottom right here as well as on the top. If you have a 3D printer, you can easily cover this hole up by printing something. If you don't have a 3D printer, it's okay. You can get a super thin wood panel to cover up the hole and then install the light onto that wood panel. Alright, hopefully this video helps you on how to convert a dumb wall light with string on to something with a motion sensor. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.